Good morning kids. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 5 of English course, and the name of the lesson is Pinocchio. The name of the lesson is Pinocchio. Okay, here we are going to start the chapter. Geppetto, a poor old woodcutter, made a puppet from a piece of wood. Which this is the picture of Geppetto. Okay, he is a poor old woodcutter. Woodcutter means a person who chops down tree. He made a puppet from a piece of wood. But this is a puppet. This puppet he made with a piece of wood. You shall be my little boy, he said to the puppet. Then the Geppetto said to the puppet that you shall be my little boy, and I shall call you Pinocchio. Now I'll call you Pinocchio, and the name of this puppet he called that Pinocchio. Pinocchio rose to his feet and danced on the tabletop. Look what I can do, he squealed. Okay, now the puppet Pinocchio, he rose to his feet and danced on the tabletop. Now he stood up on the tabletop, then he started dancing over there. Okay, now he says, look what I can do, he squealed. Squealed means made a long shrill sound. The carpenter was surprised to see the puppet come alive. The carpenter Geppetto was surprised that the puppet Pinocchio was alive. He decided to bring him like other children. Then the Geppetto decided that he will bring Pinocchio like other children. Pinocchio, this is not the time to dance, Geppetto explained. Then the Geppetto explained to the Pinocchio that this is not the right time to dance. You must get a good night's rest. Tomorrow you will start going to school with the real boys. Then the Geppetto said to Pinocchio, now you should take a good night rest. Tomorrow you will be going to school with the real boys. You will learn many things, including how to behave. Then Geppetto to Pinocchio said that you will learn many things tomorrow, including how to behave. On his way to school the next morning, Pinocchio stopped to see a puppet show. When Pinocchio was going to school, he stopped to see a puppet show. When he was going on his way to go to school, then he see a puppet show, then he stopped over there. I can dance and sing better than those puppets, and I don't need strings, boasted Pinocchio. Boasted means showed off. Then Pinocchio showing off, saying like, I can dance and sing better than those puppets, and I don't need any strings. Okay, he climbed onto the stage. Then Pinocchio climbed onto the puppet show stage. Get off my stage, roared the puppet master. Then the puppet master shoutedly saying that get off my stage. Then he noticed how much the crowd liked Pinocchio. Then the puppet master see that how much the crowd is liking Pinocchio. Then he didn't say anything and let Pinocchio stay. Then the puppet master did not say anything to Pinocchio because the crowd was liking him a lot. So he let him stay on the stage. Here you have earned 5 copper coins, the puppet master told Pinocchio. Then the puppet master gave him 5 copper coins which he had earned from the puppet show. Take these coins and go straight home, said the puppet master. Then the puppet master said that take these coins and go straight at home. To whom he said? He said to Pinocchio. Pinocchio put the coins into his satchel. Satchel means bache, bags used to carry books. Then the Pinocchio put the coins in that satchel. He did not go very far before he met a lame fox and a blind cat. Lame bache, unable to walk properly because of a problem with one's feet or leg. The person who cannot walk properly because he is having problem with one's feet or maybe in leg. So the Pinocchio didn't go very far. when he met the lame fox and blind cat. Knowing that the Pinocchio had money, they pretended to be his friends. The lame fox and the blind cat know that the Pinocchio is having money, so he started pretending to be his friends. Come with us. We will teach you how to turn these copper pieces into gold, quacked the sneaky cat. Then sneaky cat said that, come with us, we will teach you how to turn these copper coins, the coins which you are having, we will turn these copper coins into gold, they said. Then we want to help you get rich. Then we want to help you to get rich. Then the fox said that we really want to help you so that you can be rich. Plant your coins under this magic tree. Then they said that in under this magic tree, put your coins over there. In a few hours, they'll turn into gold. The copper coins which you are having under this tree, it will turn into gold within few hours, said the fox. Show me where, said Pinocchio excitedly. Then the Pinocchio get excited after hearing this, that the copper coins which he is having, it will turn into gold. So he was literally very excited. Then he said to them that, show me where. The cock and fox pointed to a patch of loose earth. Then the cat and the fox pointed to a patch of loose earth. Okay, they showed them the patch of loose earth. Pinocchio dug a hole and put the satchel in it, marking the spot with the stone. Then Pinocchio dug a hole under that earth patch. Okay, then he put the satchel in it, satchel this one, bag. Then he put the satchel in that hole. Okay, then he marked the spot with the stone. Stone. Splendid, exclaimed the cat. Splendid means very good. Now let's go to the inn for supper. Then they said, let's go to the inn for supper. Supper means food consumed before going to bed. Then they have a dinner, have a supper. Okay, after supper, the fox and cat, who weren't really lame or blind, quickly ran away and disguised themselves as thieves. Disguised means changed clothes and done makeup to look like someone else. Okay, then the fox and cat, who was not lame and who was not blind, okay, they changed themselves, they changed their clothes as themselves, and they pretend as a, they are not means they firstly they were pretending that they were lame and they were blind, but they were really not blind or lame. Okay, then they changed themselves to look someone else, like as thieves. They hid by the tree, waiting for Pinocchio to come back and dig up the money. Then they hid by the tree, okay, and they were waiting for the Pinocchio so that he can come back and dig up the money, so that he can take out the money from that hole.